In this video, we will learn to create our one shortcut key to launch any programs in Windows. On the desktop, I have some programs such as Sublime Text Editor, Dev C++ and Visual Studio Code. Now we will create our one particular shortcut key to launch each programs. For that, right-click on the program icon, click on Properties. You will get this Properties dialog box. In the Shortcut tab, click on Shortcut key and assign hotkey by pressing keys from the keyboard. Here I have pressed Ctrl, Alt and 1 key together from the keyboard. After that, click on Apply and OK. Now our shortcut key for Sublime Text Editor is ready. If I press Ctrl, Alt and 1 key from the keyboard, then Sublime Text Editor will be ready for me. In this way, you can create your one keyboard shortcut to launch any program.